Whatever TV. Hello guys, and welcome to Whatever TV. On today's video, we're going to show you how to make a high-powered PVC air rifle. Step 1. Supplies.
We're going to need two 24-inch long 2-inch ABS or PVC tubing. We'll need two 2-inch couplers. 4 3/4 elbows. 2 2-inch to 3/4 reducers. 1 1/4 couplers. 2 1 1/4 to 3/4 reducers. 2 3/4 threaded 2 fitted ends. Also 2 3/4 couplers. Piece of 2-inch ABS or PVC that's 4 inches long. A piece of 1 1/4 inch PVC that's 3 inches long. A 3/4 inch adapter, a gauge, and a bike valve or tire valve. You can get these in all different sizes, lengths, and all that. These you usually get at your local automotive store, the other stuff, any hardware store. You also get a piece of 3/4 inch PVC cut at 12 inches long, or 1 foot. 2 2-inch elbows. 1 3/4 inch cap, a 3/4 inch T, 3/4 inch ball valve. 5 pieces, and then also you're going to want a 3/4 inch slide repair coupler. And these will slide, and they come apart here also. We'll see what I'm using this for in the video later. Also today we'll need some PVC primer and some PVC glue. And you're going to need to make a trigger system. You want to make one like one of these? Then check it out in one of my other videos called How to Make a Trigger System for Your PVC Air Gun.
Step 2. Preparation. We're going to get our PVC primer.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Step 3. The build.
Okay guys, well, that concludes the build of this gun. Until our next step. As you can see, I put the tire valve here, our pressure gauge here, into the holes we drilled earlier. Put a little bit of glue in the hole before you thread these in. It'll soften the PVC, it'll allow your thing to go in there, and then when it dries, it'll give it a nice seal. And I also went ahead and took this little customization of a piece of PVC that I decided to add, which is optional to you, instead of, when you're holding the whole rifle, holding onto this. So I made this to pop right into here, and it'll sit there, and I'll glue that in also, so it gives me another little handle to hold on to, so I have more control over the thing.
Step 4. Testing.
Okay guys, now that we are built, we're going to move on. Now we'll feel the air pressure. As you can see, it's holding pretty good at about 100 pounds. Okay guys, I'm here. After we have loaded the air pressure, we went ahead and closed this valve off, and if we fire the trigger, you get a perfect shot. And to reload, since our pressure is in our reserve tank, we go ahead and take this valve again, and very slowly, that's what happens if you go a little too fast. The slower you go, the better, but it still loads. And once that, you can close back off and fire again. You can continue to do this until you run out of your tank. Okay guys, so loading this, I'm going to go ahead and twist the barrel off. And as you can see inside, the 3/4 inch, and I got these little Nerf balls. And I'll tell you, these little Nerf balls work perfect in the 3/4 inch too. Just to put them on there like so, and you put anything actually in this container. I've used a lot of airsoft pellets, just pile them in there, fire them, it shoots like a shotgun. So use your imagination when it comes to these guns. PVC is like building blocks, you pretty much can build anything.
Step 5. Paint.